Hello everybody! In this video, you are going to be learning about how you can build a calculator using Java. So let's just jump right in. So right here, as you can see, this is the BlueJ IDE, the IDE that we're going to be using to create this project. So basically, if you don't have BlueJ installed, basically what you need to do is just search for, just search for BlueJ on your browser, whichever browser you use. And as you can see, it pops up right over here, and then you can just select right here the download link, just click on it, and just wait for this to load, and just wait some more. Okay, there we go. And then basically what you need to do is right here, click on download, and then just wait for this. And then right here, just click on MSI installer. Or if you want this download zip file, you can also do that. So that's basically how you get it. Also, if you're using other IDE for Java, I'm pretty sure that BlueJ is indeed the only one that accepts function arguments. So that's why I'm going to be using BlueJ in this video. So now for creating a new project, just go over to project and new project. And then now, obviously, name your project, right? So let's just call it calculator demo. And then just do that. And then just wait for this. And as you can see right here, it's done. Now just create a new class called calculator. Okay, there we go. Calculator, click OK. And now right here, just double click on that, and that'll go ahead and open this window where you can basically just edit it, right? So you can just get rid of all of this extra stuff that we really don't need. So just everything in here, boom, just get rid of it. Okay, so public class calculator is what we're left with. Now, this necessarily doesn't need to be public, so I'm just going to delete that out. And right here, what you need to do is define a public method. So how you define methods in Java is basically just put the public keyword right there, and then you do static void. So basically void means it won't actually return anything. And then after that, just put the arguments there. So double, which is basically a number, just do that, and num1 and another number, double, and then num2. Now we also need a string, which is indeed going to be the operator that we want to use. So we can use this calculator for all of the simple calculation, right? So we can use it for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So that's what we can use this for. So we'll just create a string called operator, and then just go ahead, okay. There we go, just go ahead and do this. And now inside of this, we're going to have an if statement. So basically what this does is it checks whatever is inside of this. So let's just say if the operator is equal to. So there's indeed a difference between just equal to and equal to. So the equal to, this, it basically assigns a variable. So if I show an example like x is equal to 10, right? But the equal to, so if we say in an if statement x equal to 10, then that's if you assigned x. Okay, wait, let me just do this like this. So x is equal to 10. Well, I'm commenting it, I don't want to do that. And then if we check in an if statement, if x is equal to 10, like so. And then after that, okay, you need to put a semicolon right there. And then after that, right here, if we do that, basically whenever x is equal to 10, we can do anything in here. So that's basically what the difference between equal to and equal to is. So that's that. And let me just go ahead and do operator if that's equal to that is, let's say, first let's do plus, right? And then after that, just do that. Now, in here, what we will do is first, we're just going to print it out. So system.out.print, print ln, and then brackets, and then quotes. And then after that, inside of these quotes, you just need to write a message. So if you want, you can just do like sum, but I'm just going to do the sum of the two numbers. What am I even doing? Numbers is colon space. And we're going to just add on the num1 and the num2. So actually, what we're doing here is we're like joining the num1 and num2's answer, or the sum, to this console, this print line, right? So that's what we're doing here. Now we just go ahead and compile this. Then we're getting an error for some odd reason, so. Okay, what is the error? So identifier expected. Oh wait, you need to give the class a name, obviously. Okay. Or the method a name. So just call it main here. There we go. Compile, and that should work. Okay, one more bracket, so let's just do that. And now compile it, and no syntax errors. If we come here, right click it, and then do that. As you can see, double num1, so we do like 10 plus 10, string operator. Here, just put that in quotes, just say plus sign. And it's going to open this up. And okay, that's not really correct, is it? Okay, let's just look at what we have done wrong here. So right here, I just had to make a simple little change, which is just to add these brackets in here. So that's the only change that I made. And then after that, if we just go ahead and run this right here, and if we do like 33 plus 7 and 20, and then obviously put the string operator in here. I keep doing equals for some reason, and there you go. 53 was indeed the correct answer, right? So that's very good. So now with that, we have our addition part pretty much working now. Now let's move on to, let's say, subtraction part, right? So let's do if operator is, okay, did I spell it right? Yes, I did. Okay, and then if operator is a minus sign, then what we're going to do is system dot out. Actually, we can just copy this from here, like that, and paste it here. The difference, okay, I don't know if I spelled that wrong. The difference of the two numbers is, and just change that to a minus sign right there. Now, if we just go ahead and compile that, come here, and just do that, and let's just say we want 5 minus 1. Okay. And then if we just go ahead and do the minus sign, as you can see, 4, which is correct, right? So now subtraction part is done. Okay. Now let's move on to the multiplication part. So if operator is equal to a star, then, which is obviously multiplication sign, and make it double quote. So just do that. And then here, what we will do, if the operator is a multiplication sign, then what we're going to do is just paste that in again, and the product of the two numbers is, and then obviously change that to a star, which means multiplication. So now as you can see, it's getting easy, right? So if we just go ahead and compile that code and just go ahead and run it right here. Then if we just do like 10 multiplied by 10. And then if we do the star, obviously, okay, 100, which is obviously correct, right? So that's great. And now the last part is going to be the division. So let's just go ahead and just take this other statement right here and just paste it in. What region of the file we're parsing. Okay, I don't know why that is there. Okay, just one more. Yeah, there we go. And now right here, if the operator is a slash and the quotient of the two numbers is, and just do that. Now if we compile it, this should be working. So let's just do 10 divided by 2, string operator, and then make that division sign, click OK, and 5, which is correct. So now with that being said, that's actually pretty much it for the calculator app in Java. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.